Hey, Honors Chem students, this is Mr. Lambert. Welcome to Chapter 7, The Mole. This is going to be a difficult concept to talk about remotely, but we're going to give it our best shot. Again, email me if you have any issues, call me, whatever. The mole. The mole is a term that we use in chemistry to count particles. We can't see individual particles, we can't see individual atoms. So we use this particular term called the mole to talk about how many particles or how many units of something we have in front of us. If I say the word dozen, 1 dozen, you've known ever since you were a kid that the word dozen means 12. If I say a ream of paper, some of you might know that a ream of paper, a ream means 500 sheets. Well, a mole means, here we go, a mole of anything means 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd units. That's a number that you are going to have to memorize. 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd units of anything. If I have a mole, one mole, and by the way, the abbreviation is MOL. I don't know why they don't put the E on the end, but it is what it is. 1 mole of aluminum. If I have a mole of aluminum atoms, if I have a mole of aluminum, I have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of aluminum. If I have 1 mole of iron, I'm using the examples in the book, by the way. If I have 1 mole of iron, I have, let's see, 1 mole of iron, I have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of iron. If I have, hope you all see that, if I have that's cute. If I have 1 mole of water, which is not a single element, it's a compound. If I have 1 mole of water, check this out. I have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. Not atoms, but molecules of water. This number, this mole, you're gonna have to memorize, because it's gonna be the number that we use to, let me bring this back. It's gonna be the number that we use to help determine how much of a chemical we have. If it's a compound, if it's a single element, it doesn't matter. This is just a quick little intro that I'm going to put out on Google Classroom for Chapter 7. You need to know that a mole of anything is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd units of that particular substance.